Hi, I'm Brady Coker, account manager with RDO equipment out of Moses Lake, Washington. And today I wanted to go over the Brady free-tie TwinPak bait. Starting at the front, we have 3 hydraulic hookups, one for your pickup head, hydraulic jack, and rear steer. This comes standard with a large PTO shaft. This is also ISO ready. Moving to the flywheel, we have a large flywheel here to help offset some of the surge that you may be feeling in your bail. And at the top, we have a hydraulic cooler to keep your hydraulics cool during those hot temperature days. Going to our pickup head, those of you that run deer balers, those will look familiar. This comes right off our L341 and high density L341R. It's industry exclusive made by Baler. With the Brady 3-tie TwinPak, you have 2 different options of tires. These are your standard over-the-road tires, but you can also get flotation tires. Moving to the twine box for easy access, serviceability. You can open it up, do routine maintenance, your stuffer arm, bearings, plungers. Each side holds 12 balls of twine. Another thing you might notice is how well built this baler is. Moving to the side of the bale chamber, each side has hydraulic rams so that you have uniform density as your bale is being shaped in a bale chamber. Brady 3-tie comes equipped with 3 different chamber size options. It comes standard from the factory at 15-inch, but we can also offer a 16 and 14 by 21. On the right-hand side of the baler, it comes with a dynamic weighing system. You can also add a moisture sensor from the factory too. For any other questions, please reach out to RDO Equipment for all your hay solutions.